What we've got is a young man who's come off his bike. He's hit the bitumen, skidded along, and the down has disintegrated on impact. As little as half a second, they're gone. It's really ripped into his skin, through his muscle, down now to his bone. Leathers will resist heavy abrasion for up to 6 seconds. We call this a degloving injury. They'll have it scrubbed out and all the dead tissue cut away. People think a short trip, can't be bothered getting the full gear on. If he'd been wearing leathers, he could have walked away from this.
Now you see him. Now you don't. Now you see him. Now you don't. Now you see him. Now you see him. Now you see him.
At this very moment, the rider is protected, but it only takes 0.03 seconds for the sneaker to burst, 0.6 seconds for the jeans to disintegrate. Then, like a human crayon, his flesh is shredded by the coarse bitumen.
If you got to know me, I think that you would like me very much. Yeah, if you got to know me, I think that you would like me very much.
30 bikers are killed or injured every day at junctions. So before you pull out, please look out for Tom and Dave and Nick and Helen and Amy and Paul.
Hey, Tuss, send my love to your sister, yeah?
Morning. No crumbs on the couch.
Thank you.